I'm getting stuck right here. Oh, I got a mangrove, bro. Bro, I got a mangrove, bro. Hold up. That's crazy. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, it's a mangrove.
We got a mangrove, bro.
So you thought you were stuck, huh?
Look at that. No, I did. I lost my weight.
Oh.
That's the first mangrove I ever caught.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Mangrove snapper. Wow. Look at that, guys.
A mangrove snapper.
Bring it in.
Is that a bait?
Oh, bait fish. Croaker, bait fish. Croaker. Good one, guys. I got a nice one, boys. Another catfish. Love croakers. Croakers are fun.
It's a sand trout. That's a good fish. How come it's moving?
Small? Catfish, time to go. New spot, y'all. We just luckily found this little spot. Okay.
This guy will probably think we're fishing over here.
Our first cast, y'all. Oh, timing is that? Ooh. Oh, croakers here. There's croakers here, guys. Dang. That's finally. Ooh, this is a nice size one. Dang. You got a little drag on, boys. Got a little drag on him, boys. Dang, he's a wiggly. And we're live. You never know what this could be. Oh, what else? Get the catfish. Got it?
No, it feels different. It feels strong. See? It's fighting. Maybe it's a big catfish.
A bigger catfish. Oh, that's a big one. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Did you hear that drag?
Oh yeah, I heard that one. Ooh, look at that, y'all. That's a big fat croaker, guys. Dang. What you got?
Feels like croaker.
Croaker? Okay. Croaker again! You are the croaker king today. Dang! Look at that. That's a nice size right there.
Yeah.
This better not be no catfish again. Better be a croaker. Better be a croaker. Whew, oh, it feels like a croaker. Feels like a croaker. Feels like a croaker.
It is a croaker.
It is a croaker, yeah. Finally caught me a croaker over here, y'all. Oh no, a sand trout, y'all. We got a sand trout over here, y'all. There you go. How y'all doing?
Doing good. Good. How about you?
Good. What's going on, guys?
Good. Good.
Y'all with the game warden?
No.
Oh.
No.
Who y'all with?
We're actually with Customs and Border Protection.
Customs and Border Protection. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Big one.
Whoa.
You need the net?
No, I got it. Whoa. This one's got a little drag, boys. He pulled it with a little force. Ooh, that's a big one. Ooh. Croaker!
No, I think I missed it.
This guy wasn't going anywhere. He was hooked on the eye, guys. Another croaker. Cool. He almost pulled my rod out of my hand.
Yeah, must be a big one.
There he goes. There he goes. It's a croaker. Yeah. Croaker. I love croakers. They're just fun fighting fish.
How come it's not fighting anymore? Oh, yeah, I got it.
You got one?
Another
Cat croaker. No, they didn't. They didn't take my bait. They ate it. I didn't even know how to fish. Another croaker. Yeah, I love croaker. Look at that, guys. Croakers. We found a croaker honey hole, yo. We got a honey hole, guys. Secret spot. Secret bridge. We accidentally found the spot, taking a different route. Croaker, sand trout, yeah!
It barely got hooked.
Dang! All right. Croaker?
No, it's a croaker, a sand trout.
Ooh, another croaker! Ooh, dang! Oh, while we're recording too, that's crazy, dude. Wow, he caught one. I doubled up. Dang, that's a jumpy one. Look at that one, guys. Yeah. Dang. God, it better not be a catfish. More croaker. Hey, that's a nice haul.
We're gonna have
Sand trout, croaker, mangrove,
fish
snapper.
fry.
You wanna lift it up back up and
Yeah, fish fry, see? That's a lot of fish fry right here.
Thanks guys for watching.
Nope.
Well, thanks again guys for tuning into another episode of the Surfside Jetty channel.
That's right.
Yes, you know, we had a great time today. You know, it was it's not how you start, it's how you finish it. Thank God we found some shade to fish because it is super hot, and we were able to find a nice little honey hole and hook up on some.
That's right. That's right.
Yes.
And lovely day. Lovely day.
Yes. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next video.
All right.